Hello everyone and welcome to the Baron Chemical Pursuit app demo. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the app is and what students can expect to access in this app. And then I'm also going to give you a quick overview of what the instructor portal is and what instructors will be able to access and do inside this website. So the first thing the student will want to do when they open the app is join a class. And for this, they will have to enter a class code, which the instructor can manage right here. They can manage an existing course or they can add a new course. So today we're going to go right here in this demo course and we're going to use this code to go ahead and enter our new class. So once we are inside the class, we'll be able to see all of the basic information any student will want to know. Once I go to the main page, I'll be able to play any of the games as a student. And at the same time, the instructor will be able to track all of my progress right here. As you can tell, I've been playing a little bit since I've joined the class. But the more I practice and the more I'm doing this, the more students there is here. This instructor will be able to gather more data on the student, and then they'll be able to download this anonymized report. So before we do that, let's go ahead and complete one of the games, right? I'm going to go ahead and try one of the newer games that we added this year. I'm going to choose this game, and then I'm going to choose the time mode for basic, and then I just need to identify the charge. As soon as we get to the 20 questions, we'll be able to advance to the game summary screen. And they'll be able to review, to kind of like learn from them. And then once I go back to games, we refresh, we can see that for the elemental ions, it's outdated right there. Now, let's say an instructor wants to download an anonymized report. All they have to do is click right here and they'll get a class report anonymized. We can open that and then we'll be able to see all of the data right here. Now, if the instructor decides to, they can click right here on the student's name and then they can see specific data related to this specific student. The student will be able to also check their stats right here, which will allow them to reflect on how they're doing, and with that they can practice a little bit more to kind of like improve of those weak areas. So they can click right here and they can check how they're doing in these specific games. So for example, elemental lines, which is what we just completed, it says right here I have a 10% accuracy. Game that I performed before for the formula to name game, we have a 20% accuracy and stuff like that.